The poll has ended and my lockdown artwork won over Injection Volume 1 review by 2 votes. So the Injection review will have to wait for a little longer. Anyway, let's get these bad boys out of the envelope. So these are the 4 sketches that I made during this lockdown period, and these are really popular comic book and movie characters. Now before I show these to you face front, let's play a little game. I am not going to give you their names, I am just going to show them to you in chronological order. What you have to do is, you have to guess their names correct and let me know their names in the comment section below. The first few correct answer givers will get a huge shout out in one of my future videos. Let's get started. This is my first sketch and this is really popular, so I think all of you will get this right. I made this on 12th April 2020. Next we have a famous Image comic book character. There was a movie which was not that big of a hit, so this is the second one. 14th April 2020. Next is a heartthrob of the Indian comic book lovers. I made this on 16th April 2020. And finally, we mainly know him as a movie character, but there was a Dynamite comics also based on him. So yeah, guess his name right, you have to. He's the Boogeyman. So I made this on 6th May 2020. Let's roll again. So this is sketch number 1, number 2, number 3, and the final sketch number 4. So let me know their names in the comment section. And now there is more for you guys. I'm going to show you the 3 most important steps that went down while making each one of these sketches. So stay tuned. It's finally the time for me to break down the 3 steps that I had to undergo while making each and every one of these sketches. My weapon of choice was a piece of paper and these. Let's get started with the first sketch, and the first step is penciling. We use the pencils to draw an overall framework and outline and do the changes necessary to our satisfaction without overdoing the details. The next step is inking, in which we use pens to deepen the lines and fill in the details. The lines are now permanent. The last and final step is shading. We use pencils again to add different gradients of shade for the light and shadow effect, to add texture and beautify the drawing in general to reach the finishing point. Now let's take a look at all the 3 steps in a glance. I hope I could make that clear for you. We repeat the same 3 steps with the next art also. We start off with the old school penciling technique, and once we are happy and satisfied with our result, we move forward with the inking. And the inking is followed by shading. So he is the most popular Image comic book superhero brought to you from hell, and thus you have to guess his name right. In this third art, we reap the benefits of the reversibility of the penciling. I was not happy with it. I wanted to add some snakes to this picture, and that is what I did. But if I would have started with inking first, I would not have been able to do that. See my point? That's the importance of following these step by step. He is the most famous Raj comic superhero, so you cannot go wrong with him either. And now for the final art, we have the superstar from the movies, the one-man army. I cannot give you anything more than that, you have to guess from this only. And that brings us to the end of the video, guys. If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, do like it, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and do not forget to mention the names of these characters in the order in the comment section down below. and while you were at it, let me know which one of my art was your favorite. Nyoti Comics signing out.